What is a shake table? By Brianna Turner. A shake table basically is a device that simulates an earthquake to see if different buildings can withstand an earthquake shaking. The device simulates ground movements that cause earthquakes, and if a building can withstand a shake table, then it has a better chance of withstanding an actual earthquake. The first shake table ever invented was made at the University of Tokyo in 1893. The table categorized types of building construction and ran on a simple wheel mechanism. The tested building is strapped onto the platform, then shaken, usually to the point of failure. Shake tables have helped us understand how we can prevent damage from happening during an earthquake. They also helped us understand what building material best accommodates an earthquake shaking. Many of the world's shake tables are in Africa and Asia and are usually kept in universities. Many of the ones in the U.S. are in California or New York. The largest shake table is in Japan and also holds the record for largest shake table test. One of the shake tables tested in Japan was a 7-story wood-frame condominium tower that not only survived a 7.5 magnitude earthquake, but it escaped with barely a scratch, only minor drywall damage. A shake table is usually a 12-foot by 12-foot platform made of concrete frame made with concrete wire reinforcement on the inside. It is designed to create earthquakes of any size. Many people build model shake tables to experiment with at home. Some elementary classes make model shake tables by making paper springs and attaching them to another piece of paper. They make it shake by moving it, and that shows how a real shake table may work. In 6th grade this year, we made models of shake tables by rubbing a book with sandpaper on the bottom against a sandpaper strip on a table. Then we took little sugar cube buildings on it to see how much force it took to make them collapse. This, like a shake table, explained to us what height building best survives an earthquake. Small shake tables can be sold online for $600 to $2,500. Some shake tables can hold up to 100 metric tons. Shake tables are needed so that when an earthquake does happen, buildings will be ready to withstand it and keep everyone safe. Without shake tables, many people would have lost their lives. Shake tables helped prove that buildings made out of wood were not very strong in presence of an earthquake. Thanks to shake tables, we learned that steel was a great skeleton for concrete. For example, if an earthquake were to happen near a highway, then usually it would collapse. If the highway bridges were built with a steel interior, it would be harder for them to collapse. This is so because steel must bend before it breaks. Shake tables have taught us about earthquakes and ways we can make our buildings stronger, and that is why they are important. Thank you for watching!